Evening, folks. We're live at 9:23. We got a big one here on Epic. We are battling for Gary's Star Wars 4-pack mailer. Luke, Ben, R2, and 3PO. Graded U80 plus by AFA. It's an awesome mailer. It really is. I got 110 big old spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our big winner for tonight. Copy here. Paste here. There you can see 110 entries, which I am scrolling up through presently. There they are. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 4, so I'm rolling again. We got a 7, which means we're good for some action here, guys and gals. Good luck as we get down to it. Matt Johnson, round 1 with number 12. Andrew Neo, 2. Matt Johnson, round 3. Gary Bleach, round 4. Jacques, round 5. Scott Singer in the top spot for our next to last round. Round 6 with, I don't remember what number it was. I think 26. We've reached now the final round. Sorry. Final round, good luck. Everybody, here we go. And our winner is Danny Katzel. And at number 25, congratulations, Danny. Nice hit. Here's our verification code and official results. GGYYPV. Danny Katzel. And at number 25 is Zichamp of the 4-pack mailer. And I am done at 9:25 p.m. Eastern Time on a Friday night in Pennsylvania. Again, here's the official results. Danny in at number 25. Congratulations again. See you next time, guys. Thanks a lot.